Recently, I faced Grok have a login error problem. Today, I want to show you how to fix Grok login error easily. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to TechWash. Firstly, open a browser to your choice. Search for Internet Speed Test. If your internet is weak, then swipe down from top, tap aeroplane mode, wait for 10 to 20 seconds, turn it off. Then open a settings. Scroll down and tap apps. Search for Grok application. Tap for stop. Go to storage. Tap clear cache and clear data. Then open Google Play Store. Search for Grok. If you have update, then update it. Restart your device. That's it. Support us, be with us.